Hey, welcome. And the training you're going to get today is you're going to learn how and build a foundation on how to make a video with your cell phone Windows 10 video editor and then upload to your Escambia County School District YouTube account. And before we start, if you have not already done this, in which I'd ask if you can have a 5-minute video recorded as well as a picture, go ahead and take a picture of anything in your room. Can be of anything, and then after you've done that, then just place your camera anywhere and face it anywhere and just hit record, and we'll go ahead and use those in the video that we're going to make. Hey, you're wondering who I am. I'm Jetty Bronco Ruiz, and I did serve in the Marine Corps, and my current duties is that I'm with the Escambia County School District as an instructor at the Flight Adventure Deck, where we make learning math and science fun in an aviation-themed immersive learning environment for our middle schoolers, in which they come out here on field trips. And when I'm not there, I'm also a facilitator at the National Flight Academy in the Joint Operations Center. Now you're probably wondering, thinking, Bronco, what will this video do for me, or this training do for me? What it will do is provide a foundation for making videos, which you can use for introductions at the beginning of the year. Anytime you want to introduce yourself to your students and also your parents, or even your other colleagues, you can make a video for that. You can also use it to provide guidance to your students on any class policy, and this can be done in addition to the written documents you wish to provide. And you can also use it for content videos within your class, whatever area you would like to facilitate instruction, and also make a content video. Here's what we're going to accomplish when we're done. Provide a foundation for making videos in which you will learn how to upload, add pictures and also other videos, add text, add royalty-free music, special effects, zoom in and out, add voiceover, and also upload to your Escambia County School District a YouTube account, which, if you don't know, you already have one. Now here's how you can access it. Under the search bar on your computer, just type in video editor, and then it should pop up like what you see right here. And this is what it will look like. And another way how you can access it, you can just go to the start menu, and then you'll see video editor here and then voice recorder here, two of the features that we will go ahead and use. And then once you've come back to video editor, you're going to see your previous projects. Now, one thing I'm going to say is that if you've done projects on two different computers, you're only going to see projects that you might have done on that computer, not both computers. Anyway, then you would click New Video Project. And then you would name your video. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and just call this training video, and then you click OK. And then you'll now need to go and access your video and also your pictures. You can access it from this PC. And one thing which you're going to see here is this is the big screen where your videos can show. And this is also your storyboard. That's where you would add a title card. And when you place your videos and pictures, this is where it would be. What I want you to do now is go ahead and download your video onto your computer. You can do that either by using your cord, you plug it in, or save it to your Google Drive and then download from your Google Drive onto your computer. Go ahead and do that, please, for your video and also your picture. And please give me a thumbs up after you've done that. But this is where I'm getting it from, is that I saved them under videos, which I'm going to select 6th grade hot air balloon final. And then this is what it would look like. And then the final slide for the picture, or a slide for the picture, this is what I'm selecting right here. And then this is what it will now look like, in which they've been placed into the project library. Okay, the next step after you've done that, place them into your storyboard by putting a check mark just click on your video. Then after you do that, click place in storyboard. And then you'll see your video go here. And then you will now do that with your picture. You click on your picture, click place on storyboard, then you'll see it move here. And then now you can also see it here. And one thing which it will do is that the default for any pictures will be 3 seconds, which you can see right here for the duration. And we're going to go over how are you going to be using these items. Our next step will be to go ahead and add a title card, which the default on that is also 3 seconds. After we've added in the title card, in which the default is 3 seconds, and again you can modify the duration, we will now type in the text. So go ahead and click on text. And these are the different text that you could end up with. In this case I selected joy. So type in whatever you want to name the title page. In this case we'll call it type in title page 03/11/2021, and then what you see here is the duration. It's 3 seconds long. Right here is the layout, and that can be center like this, or center this way, top, bottom, side, side, and then click done. First feature that we'll go over will be the trim feature, in which we'll trim the video clip, and you'll end up hearing part or seeing only part of the video which we want to play. Okay, click on the video itself, click trim, and let's just say you already know beforehand that you want to stop at the 4-minute 40-second mark and you don't want it to play the rest. Then that is what you will do. And here's an example of what will happen. However, we definitely would look forward to serving you at the flight. Okay, it stopped. Now make sure you click done. And then notice how it's only 4 minutes and 40 seconds right here. Another feature is split, which if you wanted to take out part of a video or even move part of a video, you would use the split feature. Let's go ahead and try this. Let's just say you wanted to split from 4:30 to 4:40. That's the 4:30 mark. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 1, 4 minutes 30 seconds, clip 2, about 10 seconds. Click done. And then notice you now have 2 different clips. If you wanted to delete it, you can just click on the video, then click the remove. But let's just say if you wanted to move it to a different location, you can, which will go ahead and move it right here. Next, let's go ahead and say motion, add camera motion. And let's say we want to go ahead and use camera motion on this slide right here. You can zoom in on center. Let's go ahead and try this. Let's see what happens when you zoom in on center. Okay, notice that happens right there. It got bigger. Let's try zoom in left. Okay, it zoomed in on the left. Click done. And now that we've done that, let's go ahead and add some special effects, 3D effects to this video right here. 3D effects, that's the effects. You've got explosion, waterfall, atomic motion, quite a few. When you scroll down, then you're going to see all these. Let's say you want to go ahead and put a globe right here, spinning globe. You can go ahead and do that. Put spinning globe. It's going to move it. Now you have it right here. And here's another feature. You can attach it to a point. If your video is going to be moving around, then you can now have it stop at a certain point. Let's go ahead and put this on right here. If this takes a while, then we're gonna just cancel it. Okay, right there's the anchor point. Let's just say if you want this right here as the attach point, then just move the anchor right there, which you see. And this right here is the duration for that special effect. You can make it less, you can make it more. Let's go ahead and make it less. And let's go ahead and now play this. Okay, thanks for watching the video. And I'd like to go ahead and say farewell for now. However, we definitely would look forward to serving you at the flight. Okay, and right here was the volume. Go ahead and click done. Now you've got your special effect. Let's go and add in one more special effect. Let's try a waterfall, actually atomic motion. And that can go on for the whole length or shorter. Let's go ahead and have it for the entire length. And let's go ahead and move this right here. Let's attach it to a certain point. And you don't have to attach it. It's fine if it moves. Let's go ahead and put it right over here. Let's then see what happens. Let's go ahead and move it. Let's play it. Okay, thanks for watching the video. And I'd like to go ahead and say farewell for now. However, we definitely would look forward to serving you at the flight. Okay, now click done. And you've got your special effects. Another feature is the speed. Go ahead and make a copy of a video clip that you had. It can click on it. You can right click in which you have got copy video clip, so copy it. And then now go ahead and paste it. Paste the video, which you see right here. And for the speed, you can make it slower, make it faster. Let's go ahead and make it twice as fast. Okay, let's play it.
Thanks for watching the video, and I'd like to go ahead and say farewell for now. However, we definitely would look forward to serving you at the flight.
Okay, and you notice how the time went from 9.67 to 4.83. Okay, this feature, remove or show black bars. That's if you get it on your video or on your picture, and then you can just select the specific frame for that. I don't think there are any black bars, but let's just go ahead and select it here. Okay, just remove black bars. This one, this feature, rotate, you would be able to rotate the video or the picture. This is just remove all, and this is trash. Okay, what you then should also be doing as you're working your project, save it under backup project. When you save it, that's what it'll look like. You choose your backup location, then it'll put it there. Another item that there is themes. You can set a theme. In this case, let's just say we're going to use adventure. Okay, that is the song that it'll pick, as well as any text. Let's try electric. Anyway, those are the themes. However, in this case, let's go ahead and put in background music. And let's go ahead and select Funky Strut. And let's go listen to it. And one thing you can do is sync your video to the music's beat, if you like. You just click that, then it'll sync it. Let's go ahead and listen to what Funky Strut will sound like. Okay, that is the volume. Usually I keep it at level 35, so you just move the ball down here. Let's go ahead and now play it. It's not as loud. Okay, click done. Now you're going to have it throughout the entire video. What I'm going to do though is, because these videos already had other songs, I'm just going to go ahead and decrease the volume or turn off the volume, which that's how you would do it. This way the music would play across the entire video clip. I'm going to do that here also, and also right here. Next feature that we want to do is put in custom audio. Okay, go to your voice recorder. Just right under video editor, click voice recorder, and you will then click on the mic and just say this is a test audio, which I will also do. This is a test audio. Stop it. It's not going to have the name recording, but I'm going to go ahead and name the recording. I'll call it test recording 03/11/2021. Rename. Go ahead and play it. This is a test audio. What I'm going to do next is add that test audio to this video clip right here. So just click on where you would want it to go. Click Custom Audio. You will now go to Custom Audio, so click on that. Click Add Audio File. And let's go and find it. I have it under Documents, Sound Recordings. The name was just Test Audio, Test Recording 03/11/2021. Click on it, hit Open. This is where it's going to be. Now you can move it around wherever you would like. In this case, let's just go ahead and put it right here. And let's go ahead and play this. This is a test audio. Stop it. Okay, that is the test audio. And then next, go ahead and click Finish Video. You want to go ahead and keep it on high quality, high 1080, hit Export. Type in the name I just have, a test training video. Okay, and that will be a few minutes. So what I want you to do next is go to the waffle, and you're going to pull up your YouTube account, which you have with the school district. Click YouTube. And then once you have that, I'm going to show you where you get your royalty-free music and also where you would load it to. Click on J right here, and go to the far right and click on that. Wherever it has listed for you. Go to your channel. Okay, you may or may not have something in your channel. After you click on your channel, you can see Audio Library right here. Click on Audio Library. And then what you see pop up will be the royalty-free songs. The only thing is you're going to need to download these to your computer and then you upload them to your video itself. Whereas on Windows 10 Video Editor, it automatically comes with the package. Anyway, what I want you to do now is just go and click Create. Click Upload Videos and select the video. This is a test audio. Stop it. Okay, here's what's going on. Is that after the video has been uploaded, then it'll automatically start playing like it is right here. Let's go ahead and click X. And let's go ahead and pull up the test video, which I did save that to the downloads. We said test training video. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Okay, that is the title. Just put in a description, just type in anything. I'm going to put in test description. And then it'll put in thumbnails, or you could put in your own thumbnail. The audience, is it made for kids? Yes, it is. So put yes, it's made for kids. More options. Click on more options. For the tags, just type in some tags. I'll put in STEM, flight, test, video, science, aviation, math. Then next, for the language, select English, English United States. You do not need to worry about caption certification because you did not have this on TV or anything like that, and that's what it means by caption certification, which you can see right here. Okay, recording date. Put in March 10th. Location, video location. You can type it in and it may show up. Flight Adventure Deck does show up. Which is right here, Flight Adventure Radford Boulevard. So I click that. Category Education. This show how many viewers like and dislike the video. Okay, 16 minutes left. I don't know if there'll be enough time between now and the end of our training session for it to actually load, but those are the steps. Next, click Next. And this says you can complete this step after the standard definition version of your video has been processed. While you wait, you can close this screen or go to the next step. So let's go and go to the next step. In this case, save or publish. This one, I would recommend you make it private or enlisted since this is just a test video. Public is something which you want everybody to see. So this, I'll go ahead and put private. Schedule, you can schedule a date to make it public. And let's just say if you were to do that, here's what you would do. Those are the dates that you would set. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. And I'm just going to keep it back on private. Next, I'll hit save. And it says it's still uploading. Keep this browser tab open until upload completes. Okay, about 15 minutes left. And anyway, those are the steps on how you can make a video. If you wanted to put some video on top of video or picture on top of a video, then you would now need a different application for that. What I do is that I make the videos, I build them using Windows 10 Video Editor, and then I enhance them using Shotcut. And with Shotcut, you can still do the voiceover, but then you can also put pictures on top of a video or in addition to a video, part of what you saw earlier. Okay, 15 minutes left. This has finished recording. Now we'll go ahead and access the video on YouTube. After you have uploaded your video into YouTube, this is how it would look. You can see your video here, and you can also see it here. And if you go and scroll down, then you would also be able to see some of the other information that you put in. And you can play your video here and get a preview, and then what you can also do is expand the screen here so that you can see it. And we're going to go ahead and play this so that you can see how this looks full screen. This is a test audio. Stop it. Now that was the test audio recording, and you can hear the music that we had selected. Let's go ahead and look at the special effects and also the zoom in and also out that we had put in. This is the zoom in and out feature that we had put in. You can see the atomic motion and the globe. I hope you enjoyed this training and will benefit from it. You will definitely have fun with it. Ciao.